kissing, but y'all never get along. I hope you know that you ain't right and you so good at burning bridges. I hope you finally find some love and every day he hurt your feelings. I hope you turn your heat on and it blow cold. I hope you leave your car running at the store and it gets stolen. I hope you have a nightmare every single day of your life. I hope you have a bad morning and one hell of a night.
I hope it's hell at night, straight to the morning. I hope you close your eyes, just can't ignore it, 'cause it's too damn loud, tossing and turning. I hope it's hell at night, my memories burning.
I hope you see me every time you close your eyes, and every time you think about me, you hear thunder in the sky. I'm out the way, and by the way, I hope you lived in what you learned. Hope you go deep into the woods and you make the wrong turn.
Hope it burns you up like a cigarette, like a last call shot straight to the head. Hope you stare at the wall or an old home screen, kinda hoping I call, 'cause you can't call me. I hope it's hell at night, straight to the morning. I hope you close your eyes, just can't ignore it, 'cause it's too damn loud, tossing and turning. I hope it's hell at night. A minute, just take your time. The clock is ticking, so stay. All you have to do is wait a second. Your hands on mine. The clock is ticking, so stay.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Stop teasing me, I can change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me. We got sticks to the gun illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members west on 401. We got a lock on the game, but there's more to come. You gotta pop that ass for the morning come. You want shots for the girl, then order some. Who's calling that? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who?
What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hype content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.